start an online business, and when the holiday it's coming, which they are around the corner, what if you're not gonna go to work the next day? You're gonna stay with your family because you took steps to unlock your fears and obstacles, and you overcome challenges, something that holds you back. And when you actually doing it, you're going to feel the most powerful person on this earth. You're gonna feel powerful. You're gonna feel unstoppable. It's going to help you create more content. It's going to help you become more happy. When you're happy, you're gonna start to attract happiness into your life. And when I say happiness, it's opportunities, it's money, it's health, it's good people. That's what happens when you are happy. Because you took steps.